Hi guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute Regalia Front Card. It is amazing. Handmade cap and tassel certificate. Look at the tie, it's made out of rubber, it's so cute. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make your card. We have your base card, all your layers for the front of the Regalia. We're going to make a paper hat, and I've made a little tassel to match, and your certificate. Let's get started. You're going to score your base card, which is 8.5 by 5.5 at 4.25. Fold and burnish. And set aside. This is your first layer, which is 4 by 5.25. We've set that aside. And on your second layer, which is 3.75 by 5, you're going to make some measurements. On the top of the card, you're going to mark at 1 7/8, and 2.75. And on the base, you're marking at 1 7/8. You're going to line up these two middle points here and make a dot at 3, just like so. You're going to take this white piece. This is 3.5 by 4 7/8. You're making a mark at 1.5, 1.75, and 2. Make a mark at the bottom at 1.75. Line these two up and make a mark at 1/4, just like so. These two are for the color of the Regalia. This piece is 2 1/4 by 3.5. We're going to make a mark at 1 1/8. And this one is 1 3/4 by 3. And you're going to mark at 7/8. Let's do some cutting. You're going to take all these 4 pieces of paper. The first piece you're going to cut is this piece. You're cutting from here to here and here to here. So it looks like this. We're going to put this down. I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to line up the middle point at that 1 3/4. And I'm just going to just cut until that quarter mark, like so. And I'm going to take these 2 pieces and I'm cutting from the end to the point that I made and the end to the point on both of them. So we have 2 V's. I'm going to bring in my slide paper cutter and I'm going to cut this V at 1/2 inch like this. And let me show you how. You're lining it up with that 1/2 inch mark here, closing and cutting up to about here. Then you're doing the same thing. You line it up at the 1/2 inch, closing, holding down, cutting to about here. And you'll have some that looks like this. This one is cutting at a 1/4 inch. So you line it up at the 1/4 inch mark like this. Close. Cut down. But we're not going all the way this time because we really have to be careful with this one. We're going to line it up at 1/4 inch here as well. Close. Cut down. Right, I'm going to finish this cut manually so it's exact. So to finish this manually, you're going to just continue the line like so. And like so to the back of your paper, and you're going to cut it. So we have everything to stick down here. Let's get the hat and tassel ready. I am going to measure half on each side of this. So this is 2 by 3/4. Then I'm going to join all of these like so, and I'm gonna cut it out, and we're sticking it on top of here like so. I'm gonna stick my tassel on. If you'd like to know how to make this at a slower pace, I'm gonna tag a video where I made it from scratch. Perfect. Let's just get something to put on top here. And I got a foam circle. That looks so cute. Let's make our certificate. This is 2.5 inches by 1.5 inch. I'm gonna roll it up on this dowel. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scoring tool and just score this piece here, and here. I'm going to fold this really tiny bit back like so. And now we're going to make a tie out of ribbon. Taking your piece of ribbon, I'm going to tie it on the ruler, turning it like this, then you're making it go around, holding this down, take it around again, up the middle, and down the last one. And you're going to pull on the front to tighten it so it looks like a tie. Then you're going to pull this out of your ruler so you have a little tie there, and then you're going to pull the back until it disappears like so, and you have a cute little tie. You're pinching this so it comes like a little button like this, and you're shaping this so it comes like that, and flattening the top. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue on the inside to stick it down. And you're going to flatten it with this. I printed a cute little sentiment for our graduate who is Chad, and I'm going to cut it out. So our tie looks amazing, like an actual tie, so we're going to leave it here. And let's put this card together. So we're going to start by sticking everything on this, and then we'll stick everything to the base. I'm going to put glue all over the back of this, leaving just a little bit on the sides. And I'm going to put it, make sure it reaches the top. Make sure it's equal in front here. Put a line of glue coming down the middle, and I'm gonna stick the tie here, and here. Then for the top of the tie, I'm just gonna put a dot of glue at the bottom here and stick it down, because you want it to look like how a tie looks, which is a little loose to the front. Once it's dry, I'm going to cut this off like so. I put it on foam tape so it'll raise off the card. So let's stick this on the card like this, and then we're going to stick this onto here. I designed and printed this really cute sentiment in Microsoft Word, and we're going to layer the inside of the card now. And that's your card. It is so beautiful, guys. I wish I could explain to you how heavy and amazing this card feels and looks. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this super cute card. His mom is gonna freak when she sees what I did inside. She didn't ask for anything inside. She was like, I'll just sign the inside, and I'm like, no you won't. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty my friends. Happy graduation, Chad!